Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about follow button on your profile. As you can see guys, on this person's profile you can see this follow button, and if you want to show this button on your profile, how will you do? Let's allow this button to show on our profile. Go to your profile. Here you will see settings and privacy. Then you have to go in visibility. Just simply scroll down and click on followers. As you can see guys, there is a button which is make follow primary, and you have to enable it by clicking this button, and it means that the button has been visible on your account. If anybody will see your account, then your account will be show like this, and people can follow you easily by clicking this follow button. So guys, this is how to get follow button on your account in LinkedIn. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.